largest provider in India, with strong clientele and good partnerships. Aditya Infotech Ltd, a video security and surveillance products manufacturer. Company has over 30 years of experience in manufacturing security cameras, network video recorders, and other end-to-end security solutions, which are marketed and sold under its well-known brands CPPLUS and Dawa, and recently launched new products under brand Nexiview. About 69% of the revenue is generated from CPPLUS and 25% from Dawa. The company was incorporated in 1995 and got public in 2025. They are based in Noida, with more than 1,270 employees. Company has one manufacturing plant in Kadapa, Andhra Pradesh, with production capacity of 21.6 million units per annum. And company aims to reach 25.2 million units per annum by Q4 of 2026. The market cap of the company is 19,718 crore rupees and currently trading at 1,674 rupees per share. The company has 24% CAGR for 3-year sales growth and 19% CAGR for 3-year profit growth. Company has partnered with Dixon Technologies, VVDN Technologies, L&T Semiconductor Technologies, and Qualcomm Technologies to develop AI-enabled security solutions. In February 2026, company signed an MOU with Orient Cables for Greenfield CCTV housing plant in Kadapa and capacity expansion. The sales of the company for the last 4 years have been consistently growing. The profits of the company are also increasing from year to year. There has been small drop in the promoters' holding since IPO. We can see some foreign and domestic investments in the company. Company offers more than 2,900 SKU, with strong distribution network and presence in 550 cities and towns in India. Some clients of the company are Absolute Electrovision, Delhi Government Schools, Gorsons India, IR Focus CCTV, Madhya Pradesh Police, Delhi Police, and more. Company has allocated a capex of Rs 60 crores in fiscal year 2026 and Rs 45 crores in fiscal year 2027 to expand its manufacturing capability. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. See you next time.